Alright y'all, so I'm out here with the Emax Tinyhawk S, the new 2S version of the Tinyhawk, and we're going to test the punch outs. We're going to compare the punch outs of this 2S that they supply us with and this 1S. So we're going to see how much of a difference the 2S makes on a punch out. So we're going to have a look at the 1S punch out first. So let's see. Got it bound up to my Vivo 8S. And it's in acro mode. So let's look at a 1S punch out. Look at it again. So pretty good for a 1S. I gotta turn the rates up a little. Just look at some flying. Pretty fast, as you can see. Okay, so let's look at one more punch out. Okay, so let's bring it in and let's switch to 2S. So now we're on 2S. Let's look at a punch out. Wow. So big difference on 2S with this little guy. Bring it down, do some flying with it. A little faster, for sure. And the rates are very docile, the way they have it out of box. And this thing is geared towards beginners, strictly. But more advanced flyers can fly this thing on 2S and on 1S. You can just change the PID profile and all, and change all the settings to suit your way of flying. So really nice to finally have a Tinyhawk that can fly with 2S. I'm just having a little fun with it right now. So that's it, a quick punch out test with the new Tinyhawk S on 2S in comparison to the 1S. Thanks for watching.